Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience a revolution in the world of pastry, an unparalleled tasting experience that will awaken your senses and transform your sweet moments into true culinary masterpieces. Hold on tight, because I am about to introduce you to the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112, the smart cake machine that will revolutionize the way you cook and enjoy desserts. Don't hesitate to click on the link in the description to learn more right now about these unique features, see thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours today. The TEFAL Cake Factory Plus is aimed at all baking enthusiasts, from beginners to seasoned chefs who are looking to simplify the creation of perfect cakes and explore an endless variety of sweet creations. With its ease of use, intelligent automatic programs, and compatibility with a variety of molds, it offers an exceptional culinary experience for all dessert enthusiasts. Imagine a world where making perfect cakes is as simple as pressing a button. The Cake Factory Plus is much more than just a kitchen appliance. It is your indulgent partner, your ally for flawless sweet creations at every moment. Now let's break down together the extraordinary features of this culinary gem. First of all, the versatility of the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112 is breathtaking. With its 5 automatic programs, you can adjust the temperature and cooking time according to the type of cake you wish to make. Shareable cake, individual cake, molten center, meringue, chocolate fondant, everything is within reach. And for creative minds, a manual mode offers you complete freedom in presenting your sweet delights. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all, my friends, because the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112 saves you time and energy. No more endless preheating of traditional ovens. This marvel can reach 200 degrees in just 5 minutes. Imagine the satisfaction of creating culinary masterpieces without the wait, a speed that adds to your enjoyment of cooking. Moreover, the intuitive interface of the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112 makes it incredibly easy to use. No need to be a Michelin-starred chef to impress your guests. And that's not all, because by investing in this baking marvel, you are joining a sustainable movement. Indeed, TEFAL is committed to repairability for 15 years, thanks to a network of 6,200 repairers worldwide. This is a gesture for the environment and the reduction of waste. The included accessories are the icing on the cake. 3 flexible molds, along with a large aluminum mold with a non-stick coating, are ready to welcome your creations. In addition, the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112 is compatible with all TEFAL Crayabake molds, offering a multitude of possibilities to diversify your sweet treats. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. To further inspire you, a recipe book and a quick start guide are included in the pack. And if that's not enough, the free Cake Factory mobile app is packed with over 200 recipes to expand your culinary repertoire. Now, imagine the pleasure of enjoying perfectly made cakes whenever you want, just the way you like them. With the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112, perfect baking is guaranteed thanks to its 5 intelligent automatic programs that precisely control cooking time and temperature variations. The manual mode gives you the freedom to customize each creation according to your desires. Still not convinced? The Cake Factory Plus includes everything you need to start your baking adventure. A set of 4 molds, including the mold dedicated to chocolate slots, which opens the door to even more indulgence. And to never run out of inspiration, the free mobile app Cake Factory is here for you. Finally, the Cake Factory Plus is also convenient to store. Thanks to its compact and fun shape, perfect for desserts for 6 people. It doesn't take up much space on your countertop and can be easily stored in your cabinets. Use and store it safely with its cool walls. Finally, to multiply the recipe possibilities, the Cake Factory Plus is compatible with TEFAL's crispy bake molds. Culinary creativity has never been more accessible and beautiful, and this product is available at the best price by clicking on the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Ease of use. The intuitive interface makes dessert preparation accessible to everyone, from beginners to experts. Advantage number 2. Quick preheating. Save time with the ability to reach 200 degrees C in just 5 minutes, eliminating the need for prolonged preheating. Advantage number 3. Versatility of programs. The 5 automatic programs and the manual mode offer a variety of options to satisfy all baking desires. Advantage number 4. Durable repairability. The commitment to repairability for 15 years enhances the product's durability, thereby contributing to environmental protection. Advantage number 5, included accessories, 3 flexible molds and a large non-stick aluminum mold. In addition, a set of 4 molds offers a variety of options for creating desserts. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1. Relatively high weight. Weighing 4.95 kg, the TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112 can be considered relatively heavy for some users. Disadvantage number 2. Non-inclusion of a rack for flexible molds. Although flexible molds are included, a specific rack is not provided, which could be a missing element for certain types of preparation. So, don't miss the opportunity to become the pastry chef you've always dreamed of being. Click the link in the description to order your TEFAL Cake Factory Plus KD802112 at the best price. Discover the thousands of enthusiastic customer reviews and turn your sweet moments into an unforgettable culinary adventure. Don't wait. The revolution in baking is waiting for you. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.